Paris, the capital of France, has a rich and diverse history that spans centuries. The city, also known as the City of Light, has been a center of culture, art, and intellectualism for much of its existence. Paris was founded by the Parisii tribe in the 3rd century BC. The Romans conquered the city in 52 BC and renamed it Lutetia. The Romans left a lasting impact on the city, with many of their architectural and engineering achievements still visible today. During the Middle Ages, Paris grew in importance as a religious center, with many churches and monasteries being built. The Notre Dame de Paris, one of the most famous Gothic cathedrals in the world, was constructed in the 12th century. In the 14th century, Paris was ravaged by the Black Death, and in the following centuries it was plagued by war and political turmoil. However, the Renaissance brought new cultural and intellectual influences to the city. The French monarchy, which was based in Paris, became one of the most powerful in Europe, and the city became a center for art, literature, and science. During the 18th century, Paris underwent a period of rapid modernization and expansion. The city was redesigned by the architect Georges-Eugène Haussmann, and many of the wide boulevards and grand buildings that are associated with Paris today were built during this time. The French Revolution of 1789 had a profound impact on Paris and the world. The monarchy was abolished, and Paris became the center of political power in France. The city was also the site of many of the key events of the Revolution, including the storming of the Bastille and the execution of King Louis XVI. In the 19th century, Paris continued to be a center of culture and intellectualism. The city was home to many famous writers, artists, and thinkers, including Victor Hugo, Gustave Flaubert, and Émile Zola. The 1889 Exposition Universelle, a World's Fair held in Paris, introduced the Eiffel Tower, which became the symbol of the city. In the 20th century, Paris was occupied by the Germans during World War II, but was liberated by the Allies in 1944. During the post-war years, Paris experienced a cultural and economic boom, and it became a popular tourist destination. Today, Paris remains one of the most visited cities in the world. It is renowned for its art, fashion, food, and architecture, and continues to be a symbol of culture and sophistication. Its history played an important role in shaping the city we know today and continues to be an important part of its identity. Thanks for watching.